Welcome to our video presentation. This video contains GATE TNPSC questions with answers and explanations are given in detail. First question. In the quark model, the proton is made up of 3 U quarks while the neutron is made up of 2 U quarks and 1 D quark. Say true or false. This is the question. This question is asked in GATE 1992. In this question, video part 25, slide 25, quark values are given in detail. This value is supposed to answer this question. From this slide, we know that P equal to UUD or proton value is equal to UUD quark and neutron value of quark is equal to UDD. Therefore, the answer is false. False is the correct answer. The neutrino has a spin angular momentum of dash and a rest mass dash is the question. This question is asked in GATE 1994. The neutrino has a spin angular momentum of 0 and a rest mass negligible. So 0 and negligible are the exact answer. Question number 3 is asked from GATE 1995. The minimum photo energy required for the photo disintegration of the deuteron is about answer A 0.51 mega electron volt, B 1.02 mega electron volt, C 2.22 mega electron volt, D 13.6 mega electron volt. Answer C 2.22 mega electron volt is the correct answer. Question number 4 is asked from GATE 1997. What are the structures of the following particles in terms of quarks? A. Proton, B. Neutron, C. Pi meson or pi naught, D. Pi plus, E. K plus. That's all. Before find out the answer for this question, the video part 25, slide number 25, all the quarks values are given. This value is supposed to answer this question. From this detailed values given from the slide, we know that the value of quark value of proton P is UUD and quark value of neutron is UDD. Value of pi plus quark is UD bar. K plus quark is US bar. That's all. Question number 5. This question is taken from GATE 1998. Given that binding energy of hydrogen atom in the ground state is 13.6 electron volt. The binding energy for the state N equal to 2 state of the positronium atom is answer A 13.6 electron volt, B 6.8 electron volt, C 3.4 electron volt, D 1.7 electron volt. In this question, the energy for the ground state is 13.6 electron volts and n equal to 2 are given. Based on the given data, formula is En equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square. Put the value of n equal to 2 in this formula, we will get minus 13.6 divided by 2 square. The answer is equal to 3.4 electron volt. Therefore, answer C is the correct answer. Question number 6, GATE 1999. Which one of the following particles does not have a spin half? The following answers are given: A. Proton, B. Neutron, C. Photon, D. Neutrino. Answer C, photon is the correct answer because photon has a spin value of 1. But the question is, which one of the following particle does not have a spin half? So correct answer is photon. This question is asked in GATE 2003, 26th question. The nucleus of the atom beryllium consists of, the following answers are given: A. 13 up quarks and 13 down quarks. B. 13 up quarks and 14 down quarks. C. 14 up quarks and 13 down quarks. D. 14 up quarks and 14 down quarks. Before find out the answer of this question, you may refer the previous video. It will be mostly helpful to answer the question because all the quark value of the elementary particles are given in detail of the slide 25. Come to the explanation of the question. Here atomic number beryllium is 4, mass number is 9. Therefore, number of neutrons in the beryllium contains 5 neutrons. So, the quark value of protons is UUD, which is multiplied by 4. It will give 4 plus 4, 8U. Number of neutron quarks UDD into 5. It will give 5 U quarks. Therefore, total number of U quarks is 13U. And total number of down quarks is 4 plus 5 plus 5D, which will give 14D. Therefore, the correct answer is B. The answer is given 13 up quarks and 14 down quarks is the correct answer. Question number 8. It is asked from TNPSC 2009. If the binding energy of deuterium is 2.23 mega electron volt, then the mass defect in atomic mass unit will be. The following answers are given: A. 0.0024, B. minus 0.0024, C. 0.0012, D. minus 0.0012. A. 0.0024 is the correct answer. Here, binding energy value is equal to delta mc square, we know that. Similarly, we know that 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Convert it into another form, delta m equal to binding energy divided by c square. Substituting the values given in the question, we will get 2.23 into 931 into 10 power 6 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 divided by 3 into 10 power 8 to the power of square. So, simplifying, we will get the answer of 2.388 into 10 power minus 3 atomic mass unit, which will be equal to 0.0024 atomic mass unit. Ninth question. It is asked from TNPSC 2009. 49 question. Calculate the binding energy per nucleon in carbon. Mass of proton, neutron and electron are given 1.007276 atomic mass unit and 1.008665 atomic mass unit and 0.0055 atomic mass unit respectively. The mass of carbon atom is 12.00000 atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit value is given, which will be equal to 931.3 mega electron volt. The following answers are given. A equal to 7.69 mega electron volt. B 92.148 mega electron volt. C 8 mega electron volt. D 9.214 mega electron volt. Here A 7.69 mega electron volt is the correct answer. Explanation. First, our aim is to find the mass of the carbon atom. Mass of the carbon atom will be equal to mass of the proton plus mass of the neutron. Then it is added, which will give 12.095646 unit. Mass of the carbon nucleus is equal to mass of the carbon atom is subtracted mass of the 6 electrons. 12 minus 6.00055 unit. It is equivalent to 11.9967 unit. Then binding energy. Before find out the binding energy, delta M, which is mass defect, is equal to 0.98946 unit. Binding energy is multiplied by the given value with 931.3 mega electron volts, that is 0.098946 into 931.3 mega electron volt. The calculated value is equal to 92.148 mega electron volts, which is binding energy. Then to find out the binding energy per nucleon, it is equal to 92.148 is divided by 12. It will give 7.69 mega electron volts. Therefore, A is the correct answer. The binding energy of the nucleus of carbon is of the order of the following answers are given. A 80 mega electron volt, B 92 mega electron volt, C 104 mega electron volt, D 129 mega electron volt. B 92 mega electron volt is the correct answer. Explanation. The binding energy of the nucleus for the carbon atom is given in the above explanation. Therefore, it will be helpful to understand the answer. Eleventh question, TNPSC 2009, question number 109. Question. Polonium 212 emits alpha particle whose kinetic energy is 10.54 mega electron volt. The energy of the recoil nucleus will be. The following answers are given. A 0.2 mega electron volt, B 0.4 mega electron volt, C 0.6 mega electron volt, D 0.8 mega electron volt. A 0.2 mega electron volt is the correct answer. Explanation. When the alpha particle emitted, mass number decreases by 4. Therefore, capital M equal to 208 unit and small m equal to 4 unit. Then kinetic energy of the alpha particle, we know the formula for kinetic energy 1 by 2 mu square, which will be equal to 10.54 mega electron volt it is given. Energy value E is the question mark. Therefore, E equal to 10.54 into 1 plus 4 by 208. It is equivalent to 10.54 into 1.019. It is equal to 10.74. Therefore, the energy of the recoil nucleus is equal to 10.74 minus 10.54. It is equal to 0.2 mega electron volt. This question is asked in GATE 2009. Consider a nucleus with neutrons N and Z protons. If Mp and Mn and binding energy represent the mass of the proton, mass of the neutron, and the binding energy of the nucleus respectively, and c is the velocity of light in free space, the mass of the nucleus is given by A. N into Mn plus Z Mp, B. N Mp plus Z Mn, C. N Mn plus Z Mp plus binding energy per C square, D. N Mp plus Z Mn plus binding energy by C square. C is the correct answer. N into Mn plus Z Mp plus binding energy divided by C square. The question is asked in GATE 2009. Question number 41. The disintegration energy is defined to be the difference in the rest energy between the initial and final states. Consider the following process. Plutonium, atomic number 94, mass number 240, gives uranium 32 to 36 plus alpha particle. The emitted alpha particle has kinetic energy 5.17 mega electron volt. The value of the disintegration energy is A. 5.26 mega electron volt, B. 5.17 mega electron volt, C. 5.08 mega electron volt, D. 2.59 mega electron volt. Here the given data is the emitted alpha particle has kinetic energy which is equal to 5.17 mega electron volt. Then the plutonium substance disintegrates into alpha particle. It gives uranium 92 to 36, that is atomic number decreases by 2 and mass number decreases by 4. Then we know the formula for the alpha particle calculation. Q equal to K alpha within bracket A divided by A minus 4. Substituting the given value, we will get 5.257. Therefore, A 5.26 mega electron volt is approximately equal to the calculated value. Therefore, A is the correct answer. This question is asked in GATE 2001. The reaction hydrogen helium has a Q value of minus 0.764 mega electron volt. Calculate the threshold energy of incident protons for which neutrons are emitted in the forward direction. Given Q equal to minus 0.764 mega electron volt, mass of initial value equal to 1, Mt equal to 3. Therefore, threshold energy equal to E threshold equal to minus Q within bracket Mi plus Mt divided by Mt. Then it will be equal to minus of minus 0.764 within bracket 1 plus 3 divided by 3. Then the value is equal to E threshold equal to 1.01867 mega electron volt. Question is 15. This question is asked in GATE 1994. Consider the nuclear reaction nitrogen 14 and oxygen 17, masses of the neutral atoms in atomic mass units are given to be 1 hydrogen is equal to 1.007825, helium 4 equal to 4.002603 value. 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 931.5 mega electron volt. First question is determine the Q value of the given reaction in mega electron volt. B. Calculate the threshold kinetic energy of the alpha particle for this reaction. Here the mass number of nitrogen is given. It will be equal to 14.003074. Similarly, mass number of oxygen is equal to 16.999131. These two values are given. Then solution to this equation. Formula Q equal to, within bracket, mx plus capital MX minus m capital My, close the bracket, into C square. Mx, m capital MX, My capital My values are given. Substituting the values in the above equation, we will get Q value is equal to minus 1.19138 mega electron volt. We know the threshold value of energy by using the formula E equal to ETH is equal to minus Q within bracket Mi plus Mt divided by Mt. I already found out the value of Q, which is equal to minus 1.19138 mega electron volt. Then the mass number of nitrogen and mass number of oxygen are given in the question. Therefore, substitute the value of Q, Mi, Mt in the formula of threshold energy equation. We will get the correct answer. That's all. Question number 16. It is asked in GATE 97. Question 25. An iodine nucleus, atomic number 53, mass number 124, iodine, atomic mass is equal to 123.9062 unit, decays to tellurium nucleus. Tellurium has mass number 124, atomic number 52, atomic mass is equal to 123.9028 unit. Write the equation and calculate the Q value for this decay process. In this case, iodine disintegrates into tellurium, beta particle emission, that is beta plus emission occurs. Then to find out the Q value, iodine disintegrates into tellurium in this case. Therefore, Q value, subtract the mass number of iodine and tellurium, that is 3.4 into 10 power minus 3 into 931.5 mega electron volt. Therefore, Q value is equal to 3.1671 mega electron volt. Calculate the minimum kinetic energy that the neutron should have in order to induce the reaction. Oxygen 16, carbon 13, in which carbon 13 is left in an excited state of energy 1.79 mega electron volt. Given mass of oxygen equal to 16 atomic mass unit, mass of neutron equal to 1.008986 atomic mass unit, mass of helium equal to 4.003874 atomic mass unit, mass of carbon 13 equal to 13.007490 atomic mass unit. Explanation. Here the given data, all the values are given. Based on the data given, Q equal to within bracket mx plus capital Mx minus my plus capital My, close the bracket, into c square. Substituting the values given, we will get the value of Q. Q is equal to minus 2.215 mega electron volt. Then we are going to find the threshold energy. To find out the threshold energy value, formula is equal to E threshold equal to minus Q within bracket Mi plus Mt divided by Mt. Then substitute the value of given values, we will get E threshold value is equal to 2.35468 mega electron volt. Like, share and subscribe now. Thank you for watching this video.